free WordPress website with free domain and hosting. So all that you have to do is just go to Google, and then from the Google search, simply come and then type bench.nf, okay, and then hit enter, and then come and select the official site of bench.nf. By clicking on it, it will bring you right here to the website whereby you can get free web hosting and domain for totally free. Okay, so from the website, simply come here to where you have free domain name, and then come and then put in your preferred domain name. Okay, so I'm going to put in blogging tools X as my preferred domain name, and then simply come here to where you have the register, and then come and click on the register. So when you click on it, under here you see that it is available or not. So mine is available. Simply come and then click on register now. So when you click on register now, all that you have to do is simply come and then choose a plan. Okay, so don't worry, we are going to choose a free plan. So simply come here to where we have the free plan, then come and then check the circle. Okay, after that, simply scroll down and then come here to where we have the continue. Okay, and then come and then click on the continue. So when you click on it, it will bring you right here to where you have to create your account. Okay, so if you don't have an account already, you have to create an account by filling your first name and then your last name. You put in your company name, you put in your email address. Okay, then you come and then create a strong password. I recommend a strong password. Come and then put in your address, you state your city, your state, your zip code. You select the country that you are in, and then come and then put in your phone number right here. Then I'll come and then check this box to agree to their terms of services for using their free hosting and then domain, and come and then check the box for them to know that you are not a robot. Okay, so after that, come and then click on the continue. So bring you right here. So as you can see, congratulations, we have successfully created our hosting plan, and then these are our login credentials. Okay, you have to keep it. You also find it from your inbox. Come and then click here to log into your account. Okay, so when you click on it, simply come and then put in your password right here, and then come and then click on log in, and then you'll be logged in directly to your dashboard just like this one. But you have to activate your account. Okay, so to activate your account, you have to go to your email and then check the message that they have sent, and then you click on it to activate. If the message didn't come and then click on resend again. Okay, so from our inbox, this is the message. Okay, so let's come and then click on it to activate our account. So all that you have to do is simply click on the link below. Okay, so when you click on this link, your account will be automatically activated. So simply come here to the Zaki app install, and then come and click on it, and then scroll down here, and then come and then click on browse and install app. We are going to install our WordPress. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and then choose first a domain name by clicking on create a free subdomain, and then come and then put in your preferred subdomain. Okay, so I'm going to put in this as my preferred subdomain, and then after putting it there, simply come here. This is going to be your subdomain name, and then come and then click on create. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully created our subdomain account, and all that you have to do is simply come and then select the application, and then the application that we are going to use is WordPress. So come and then click on WordPress, and then simply come here to proceed to step 2, and then click on it. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and then set up your login credentials. Okay, so the first one is the title, the website title. As you can see, it is my Zaki installer website. Just leave it like that. We will change it later. Okay, and then here the admin username, leave it at admin, and then the admin password, you can come and then put in your own password, or you can come and then click on generate to generate a strong password for you. And all that you have to do is simply come and then highlight the password. You put the mouse on it, you right click on it, and then you come and then click on the copy. Okay, so after that, simply come here to where it says install application, and come and click on it, and then simply wait for the WordPress to be installed for you. So as you can see, WordPress is installing. Great. All that you have to do is simply wait, and now we have successfully installed our WordPress. That is great. So congratulations, WordPress has been installed successfully. So we have two options. We can simply come and then click on this link to take us to our website, or we can simply come down here and then click on this link and then log into our WordPress admin. So let's click on it, and then come and then put in your email address here. After putting the email address, come and then put in the password to set, and then come and click on the login, and then you'll be logging directly to your dashboard. So as you can see, the website name, simply come and then click on visit site, and here we have to come and then change the Psyche installer. Okay, so to change it, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on edit site, and then over here all that you have to do is to simply come and then edit your site by clicking on get started, and then come and put the mouse on this and then click on it and then highlight it, clear it, and then write your preferred website name. So this is my preferred website name. Then I come and then click on save, and then come and then click on save again. Okay, so click on save again, and over here you can come here and then come and then click on view sites, okay, to see your site name showing up. So as you can see, we have successfully changed our website name to the preferred name. Now we have to install a WordPress theme. Okay, so just put the mouse on the name of your website and come and click on the dashboard. Okay, and then from your dashboard, simply come here to where we have the appearance, and then come and then click on the themes. Okay, so when you click on the theme, simply come here to where we have add new theme, and then come and then click on it. So from the popular theme, simply look through and then come and then select this theme, which is very good. It is called Astra. Okay, then come and then click on details and preview. So when you click on it, it is going to show you the website. Simply come and then click on the install, and then as you can see from here, it is installing. Okay, so after it finishes installing, all that you have to do is simply come and then activate it by coming to click on the activate. So when you click on the activate, it will be activated for you. So come and then put the mouse on the visit site again, and you will see that you have successfully installed our theme. Okay, now all that you have to do is to simply customize your website, and I'm having a full video on my channel showing exactly step by step how to customize your website. So go there and then watch that video. So see you in that video.